In the sprawling metropolis of Crypto City, where digital destines are forged and fortunes hang in the balance, a storm is gathering. But this isn't a storm of fear or collapse. No, this is a storm of power, a convergence of forces signaling the rise of our greatest champion. I'm talking about Bitcoin, but not just as a currency. Today, we see him as a hero, a titan of the digital age, preparing for his next epic move. My team and I have assembled a multi-layered analysis, a strategic synthesis of data and theory, and the signal is overwhelmingly clear, long. It's a high-confidence call for a major upward push. Our advanced Anomaly system, the Picaret stack, which carries a massive 65% of our decision-making weight, is screaming bullish. This isn't just one algorithm. It's a legion of them, from time series to regression and classification, all pointing to the sky, but we don't just rely on machines. Our theoretical layer, our council of sages, brings in wisdom from chaos theory, statistics, mathematics, and even physics. They see fractal patterns of growth repeating, strong statistical correlations, and precise Fibonacci alignments that all point to one conclusion: bullish continuation. The very momentum of the market is like a physical force building energy for a powerful launch. Then we have our experimental layer, the reconnaissance squad. This team dives deep into the market's mind, using game theory, financial psychology, and even visual attention analysis. They see a market psychology geared for growth, where the fear of missing out is overpowering the fear of a dip. Even our subconscious analysis reveals a deep-seated belief in growth, an archetypal dream of abundance pushing prices higher. The combined force of these three layers paints an undeniable picture. This isn't just a guess. It's a strategic forecast backed by a confluence of diverse, powerful analytics. We're looking at a high-probability success for a long position, targeting significant gains while maintaining strict risk management. So, buckle up. The hero is about to take flight. Let's dive deeper into Layer 1, the powerhouse of our forecast, the Anomaly Picaret stack. Think of this as our hero's high-tech arsenal, each module a specialized weapon. First up, the time series module. It's like a temporal scanner peering into the future, and it's flashing bullish. We have an ensemble of algorithms with the big three: ARIMA, profit, and exponential smoothing leading the charge. They're all forecasting prices around the 89,000 mark with incredibly high confidence. They see the underlying strength, with volume increasing on the ups and decreasing on the downs. It's a classic sign of a healthy, powerful trend. Next, we deploy the regression module. This one analyzes the complex relationships between all the market variables, and again, the signal is a firm bullish. Our top models here are the titans of machine learning, like XGBoost and CatBoost. They're chewing through data on volume, RSI, and moving averages, and they're all spitting out price targets even higher. Then comes the classification module, our directional expert. Its job is simple: predict up, down, or neutral, and the verdict. A resounding bullish, gradient boosting, like GM and XGBoost classifiers are all in agreement, predicting an upward move with over 90% confidence in some cases. They've analyzed countless technical indicators and chart patterns, and they see the market gearing up for a major leg up. It's like they've identified the hero's signature move before it even happens. Now, not every piece of tech signals an immediate attack. Our clustering and anomaly modules are currently neutral. The clustering algorithms, like K-means and DBSCAN, have identified the current market state as a consolidation phase. Think of it as our hero gathering his strength, a period of calm before the explosive move. It's an accumulation zone, a pre-trend cluster that historically precedes a powerful bullish breakout. It's not a sign of weakness, it's the quiet intake of breath before the roar. Similarly, the anomaly module, our defense system, is showing a neutral state. It's scanning for black swan events or dangerous outliers, and it's finding none. Algorithms like Isolation Forest and one-class SVM confirm that the market is behaving within its normal, healthy parameters. There are no villains lurking in the shadows, no unexpected traps. This stability indirectly supports the bullish case, suggesting the established trend is safe to continue its path. The foundation is solid. Now we ascend to layer 2, our theoretical analysis. This is where we consult the ancient scrolls and the universal laws that govern complex systems, from markets to galaxies. First, we look through the lens of chaos theory, and what we see is beautiful. The market is showing self-similar patterns, fractals of growth repeating on different time scales. The current bullish momentum isn't random. It's a smaller version of a much larger uptrend. The system's internal dynamics, the complex dance of buyers and sellers, are aligned for growth. The so-called butterfly effect from minor price swings has channeled energy constructively, pushing the market upward. Next, our statisticians step forward. Using powerful tools like Bayesian inference, they've confirmed a clear bullish bias. The data just keeps reinforcing the probability of an upward move. Regression models show strong positive links between price and key market drivers. The numbers don't lie. Statistically, the asset is undervalued relative to its historical growth, making this an incredibly advantageous point for entry. The probability is overwhelmingly on the side of the bulls. Then we bring in the mathematicians armed with Fibonacci sequences and Elliott wave theory. Their analysis is like architectural blueprints for the market, and right now they show a masterpiece in the making. The price has just completed a corrective wave structure, perfectly respecting key Fibonacci support levels. This is the classic setup for a powerful, impulsive wave to the upside. The market is moving with a hidden mathematical precision, and that precision is pointing directly to a significant rally. Finally, we even consult the physicists. They see the market as a system of energy and momentum. Right now, the heat from recent accumulation, that's volume and volatility, has built up immense potential energy. We are at the tipping point where that potential energy is converting into kinetic energy, or upward price movement. The gravitational pull of higher prices, fueled by strong demand, is overcoming any resistance. The path of least resistance is, unequivocally, up. The system is naturally flowing towards a higher state of equilibrium. From science to math, the theoretical consensus is clear. Bitcoin is preparing for a heroic surge. Finally, we delve into layer 3, the experimental analysis. This is where we explore the mind of the market, the psychology, the hidden currents that truly drive trader behavior. First, we apply game theory. Imagine the biggest players in the market, the whales, as participants in a high-stakes game. They've reached what's called a Nash equilibrium, where the best strategy for everyone is to hold or buy. Selling would lead to a worse outcome for the entire group. This creates a stable, bullish foundation reinforced by a powerful motivator, the regret of missing out. This leads us directly to financial psychology. The market is currently in the grip of positive sentiment, a classic herd behavior scenario. Investors are showing confirmation bias, seeing only the evidence that supports their bullish outlook. They're anchoring to recent highs as their new targets. And the most powerful emotion of all, FOMO, the fear of missing out, is about to kick in, drawing a flood of new capital into the market and fueling a self-fulfilling prophecy of higher prices. Our visual attention analysis confirms this. When we track what traders are looking at, their eyes are drawn to bullish patterns, higher lows, broken resistance levels, positive moving average crossovers. This collective focus creates a reinforcing loop. The more people see bullish signals, the more they buy, which makes the signals even stronger. The market is collectively perceiving a coherent, bullish picture, and that shared vision is a powerful driver of price. Interestingly, our more subtle analyses, like microtremor and physiological indicators, are currently neutral. Think of microtremors as the market's subtle vibrations. Right now, they're balanced, not showing the jitters of panic or the hum of euphoria. It's a wait-and-see signal, suggesting the market is stable and ready for a trigger. This calm before the storm aligns perfectly with a consolidation phase before a big move. But perhaps the most fascinating insight comes from our subconscious layer. We believe the market has a collective unconscious influenced by archetypal patterns of growth and abundance. Right now, these deep, hidden currents are pushing the market up. It's as if the market is dreaming of higher prices, and that collective dream is slowly but surely becoming reality. This provides a powerful, if unseen, tailwind for the bulls, so there you have it. From hard data to abstract theory, from machine learning to human psychology, every layer of our analysis converges on one single, powerful signal. Long Bitcoin, our hero, has gathered his strength, the villains of fear and doubt are in retreat, and the path forward is clear. He is coiling up, preparing to unleash a powerful move upwards towards new all-time highs. This is the moment we've been waiting for. Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the cryptoverse. If you found this analysis valuable, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a forecast. Until next time, trade smart and stay heroic.